Hey Feds, someone in one of our workshops recently asked if they can bump up their FEGLI. You know, they said, we have FEGLI, but I want to bump it up. He said, I'm married now and I have 3 kids and I want to do something more with that. Well, the answer is possibly you could. For example, if you just got married or if you just had a kid, then yeah, you can bump up your FEGLI. But if not, you have to wait to an open season. And they only give open seasons like every 12 years or so. I mean, it's a long time before that happens. So you may want to think about possibly getting private life insurance. Now, is private life insurance better than FEGLI, or is FEGLI better than private life insurance? And the answer is, that's the wrong question to ask. It's what's best for you, because sometimes FEGLI is better than private life insurance for your situation, and sometimes it's the opposite. So which is better? Well, you need to figure that out. And sometimes it's cheap if private life insurance is cheaper and will get you more value out of it. But at the same time, FEGLI is really easy to get into. Although the premiums do go up and up and up and up every 5 years, but FEGLI is easy to get into. Increasing it can be harder. Decreasing it, not a problem. Anytime you want to, you can always decrease it, but increasing it just proves to be hard. So it's good to evaluate your FEGLI every so often and make sure, do I have the right level for today that I need for today? Or do I need to change that? Or do I see things coming up in the future where I may want to bump it up or bring it back down and put more money into my own pocket? Just evaluate every so often. Don't set it and forget it and walk away. Reevaluate.